Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make peach popsicles. First, select about 4 ripe peaches, 1/4 cup of your preferred sweetener, and 1/2 cup of water or juice. Wash and pit the peaches, then roughly chop them. Combine all ingredients in a blender. Blend until the mixture is completely smooth, ensuring no large chunks remain for a perfect popsicle consistency. Achieving the right balance of sweetness is key for delicious peach popsicles. Taste your blended mixture and add more sweetener if desired, perhaps a tablespoon of honey or maple syrup. A small squeeze of fresh lemon juice, about 1 teaspoon, can enhance the natural peach flavor beautifully. Blend again briefly to fully incorporate any added ingredients, making sure the mixture is silky smooth. Once your peach mixture is perfectly blended, carefully pour it into your popsicle molds, filling each one almost to the top. Place the molds in the freezer. After about 30 minutes, when the mixture has slightly firmed, insert your popsicle sticks straight into the center of each mold. Allow the popsicles to freeze for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight, until they are completely solid. To easily remove your frozen peach popsicles, run the molds under warm water for about 10 to 15 seconds. Gently pull the stick, and the popsicle should slide right out. Enjoy your refreshing homemade treat immediately. Any remaining popsicles can be stored in an airtight container in the freezer for up to 2 weeks. For more great deals, and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, see the link in the description below. It's a fantastic way to keep your home spotless.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.